Diksha Exports Private Limited is one of the front runners in the field of high-pressure die casting, with over 18 years of experience. Our facility is now proudly credited with the ITF 16949-2016 certification. We committed to manufacture die casting dies and die cast. We produce finished and semi-finished machine and assembled castings in aluminum and zinc alloys. The art of casting metal under pressure is a process that is the honor and pride of our company. With a team doing continuous research in this sector, capability is always one step ahead of the competition. Our facilities is home to some of the best machines in the world, which makes it possible for us to keep excellent in this sector. The love for die casting has kept us in the forefront of the industry, both in the terms of capability and industrial technology. We have the capacity of melting down 720 tons in aluminum alloy, producing 5 million castings per annum. We understand that our customers expect the best from us, which is why we have done our research and gathered the best in range metal finishing processes that are at par with international standards. Our team of engineers is efficient in off-site finishing procedures, making starting process look easier than it is. We take the testing of each and every part very seriously by our own. Each component is check-tested and assembled personally. We have spectrometer to check aluminum and zinc alloys, 3D coordinate measuring machine, stereo microscope, electronic height gauge, ensuring that every piece is just as good as the other and is a promise of surety and quality. Diksha Exports Private Limited. End-to-end die casting solutions. As a part of under one roof solution, we do offer vacuum impregnation to the components with pressure testing requirements. Once the aluminum parts have been inspected, they must be carefully packaged to protect them from damage during shipping. Effluent treatment plant is a facility that treats industrial wastewater to remove pollutants before it is discharged into the environment. Also, we have installed 260 kilowatt solar system at our company. We have installed rainwater harvesting in our plant. Is a technique for collecting and storing rainwater for later use. Apart from this huge native plant saplings, we do donate in and around our manufacturing facility, by which global warming and in turn climate change crisis are averted. Diksha Exports Private Limited. End-to-end die casting solutions. To know more about us, please visit our website or contact our sales team. Thank you and looking forward to join hands.